Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I think we're going to work on putting the front end on the 46 Pontiac, so come along. So if you've been watching, we got a lot of the flooring and everything put in. So I think I'm going to work on finishing all this up and welding it off the camera. That way you guys don't really have to sit there and watch me do that because you already watched that video. But I really want to get the front end on this car because I want to get it outside and actually see what it looks like on the ground before anything is, I guess, super finalized. So we got to work on getting the fenders, the grill, all that kind of stuff put back on. A lot of this stuff is going to have to get modified to fit, and hopefully we can kind of just make everything work for now. It doesn't have to be anything super permanent, but once it's all fitting and everything, we can, see it on the ground. One of the things we're going to have to do is where we cut out here. We got to cut out for the fenders. We got to make the radiator support fit. A bunch of stuff like that. So Jason and Nick, they're going to be the ones working on this since I'm going to be back here welding.
I have no depth perception.
I know,
don't be throwing things at me.
I gave you a lob. You excited, Jason?
Oh yeah, we're gonna bend her to fit. I mean, we're gonna have to build some custom stuff up here anyway. So. Okay, what do we need to cut first? Where does this thing bolt on? Is this the right way?
Yeah. Okay. So.
Oh, that bolts right in there. Okay.
Yeah, and then we got that piece that goes like on the door.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that sits in there like
so
that.
we gotta cut. Hey, you want to grab a marker?
Yep. Hold on. Just hold that.
Holding.
First, let's make sure. Are we in the right spot here? Yeah, because we're up against this thing.
Yeah.
Right, so we have to notch.
And we just notch it like an inch or two.
I think if we
Or
notch,
like we can like notch it into that rib.
yep,
And that should be
that
enough.
first rib should be fine. I'll grab my little grinder. Hopefully that'll do it.
Okay. That looks really good.
Yeah.
We're right on the holes.
Okay. Nothing here lines up. We'll have to make new ones here, but whatever.
Yeah, but that's.
Yeah, and that sits in there real nice.
Okay.
Okay. I guess if it just sticks in there, that'd be fine. Just
Yeah.
let it hang in
Oh.
there.
Yeah.
So now we, gotta get the front piece, or should we try and hang the other fender?
Let's hang the other fender.
I mean, it clears, but not by much. I mean, as long as we have it straight.
Yeah, I mean, barely clear. It doesn't clear in the back.
That's right. It's true.
And we couldn't put our fingers in it.
Yeah. I know, it's kind of cool. It's over there on the table. And I could put it might need a bigger wheel. I don't know. It depends on what you're going to do with it. Okay. Okay. Might be hot.
Yeah, most likely.
Oh, now this one,
Yeah, trim more.
no. The bottom, what is going on here? Oh, this bottom corner's chopped out of that other fender.
Oh.
Come over here and look.
What is going on here?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. And I'm gonna look at the other side.
Jason, I got it.
Oh, I have it in the wrong spot.
I don't think we were lifting it up enough.
Oh, okay.
Because it kind of.
Oh, I see. You're
Yeah.
under that thing. You got a bolt. Oop.
Yeah.
Oh man, how are we gonna put that in there? Because doesn't it bolt up right there? No.
No, I was figuring. So, if we weld a tab here, and just go straight to the frame.
Okay. Okay, I got it figured out.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got your bolts on the side here. They bolt in way up, way down here.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah. So let's see what it looks like if we try to lift it up into the fender. Oh,
There's no way.
yeah.
We're hitting frame. Like the frame's right there.
Okay, so what if we
We're gonna have to hack basically, I mean, we're basically going to lose this
Oh, I keep forgetting this is a different frame.
Yeah. What are you talking about? The frame you're trying to get me to take home?
Yeah, yeah. You know you want that thing.
Jeff, you want to take a look at this quick? Before we
Yeah, we don't want
really
to chop it up and
before we
make
really
it.
cut it up. So this core support, so it butts in here.
Yep.
On both sides.
Correct.
If we cut out this L-shaped chunk,
Okay.
because the frame rail's right there.
Right.
So yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this doesn't really do anything, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty much just a dead spot.
Yeah, this just holds up right here, right? Yeah.
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 Okay. Oh, shit. Slide right in there now.
Hope so. Okay.
Where are you at?
We gotta cut out more on your side.
Well, I can't get past the steering.
Yeah.
So that course, that.
Core support's gonna have to move.
Yep.
Okay. It's getting lighter.
Okay. Okay. Do we have? That would help.
I was thinking a way to just raise it up enough
Yeah.
to.
That, the bolt bin.
It's not. Shoot, we gotta do both sides, like on the corners. So there's not enough support.
Yeah, because it's.
It's gonna. Here, let's move this down to you first.
I got another box, Nick.
Yeah, that's gonna be too big though.
Too big again? All right.
Yeah.
It's not terrible.
I mean, I know it's not level, but
Got it.
At least I'm pretty sure it is.
It looks legit.
Looks legit.
looks wide enough.
Not sure where it goes, how it goes. Good. Go up a little. Perfect. Okay, I got the bottom one started. Top one started. Need to borrow your ratchet there when you're done. For the inside ones. Ooh, that makes that easier.
It's pretty nifty.
Bring the stop.
Got one.
Bring it down a little bit. We're hitting the keep coming. Now we gotta do the other side.
I gotta grab water quick. The Canadian ones, they're like super uptight.
Whew. You should watch Australia. Whoa, they are really wild. Oh, hang on. I can get it.
What's up?
He needs that bolt back in that up here. Oh, I don't know. Either one, I guess.
Yeah, so we got this all kind of fitting okay-ish. Again, we're just testing some stuff, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But making good progress on it. Because what I want to do is I want to get all this kind of braced up and tacked in place or whatever. And I want to push it outside. I want to see what it looks like outside on the ground so I can actually get a good idea of if I like how it's sitting. Because like again, if we're going to make any changes, we're not too far along to make changes right now. And yeah, that's kind of a thing because like if you watch the last episode with the seating position, we got that. But overall, making pretty good progress. There's not going to be a video for a couple weeks after this one because I'm going to be in Japan. So there's going to be no filming. I might maybe come out this weekend and do some filming to try and get at least one video for you guys. But it's got a front end on it. Kind of.
SEMA ready.
SEMA ready. Bluetooth drive shaft and everything.
Heck yeah. Drive shaft, rear end, transmission.
But that's where we're going to leave this episode. If you guys are watching on mobile and you see the hype button, make sure to hit that. And if you're looking forward to more of this 46 Pontiac conversion stuff, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time.